Imagine spending 13 years making mistake after mistake in business. You pour your heart, time, and money into launching products that nobody buys, building companies that nobody notices, and learning tough lessons the hard way. It's a scenario many entrepreneurs fear, yet it's more common than you might think. The pain of wasted effort and lost opportunities can be overwhelming. But what if there was a way to avoid most of these pitfalls? What if someone handed you a list of rules that could save you from years of frustration and failure? Let's explore the advice that could change your business journey forever. Every mistake in business comes with a price. Sometimes it's money, sometimes it's time, and often it's both. Entrepreneurs often find themselves launching products that flop or investing in ideas that never gain traction. These experiences can be discouraging, but they're also valuable teachers. The real tragedy is not learning from them or worse, repeating them. Imagine if you could sidestep most of these costly errors. The right advice at the right time can make all the difference, turning years of struggle into a much shorter path to success. Now picture someone handing you a list of tried and true business rules. These aren't complicated formulas or secret hacks, they're simple principles that, if followed, could save you from almost every expensive lesson. The strange thing is, most people won't follow them. Why? Because success in business isn't usually about complexity, it's about doing the uncomfortable work consistently. Let's dive into these rules and see how they can transform your business approach. Biggest myth in entrepreneurship is that great products automatically win. Many believe that if they just create something amazing, success will follow. But the reality is, a hidden masterpiece will always lose to an average product that everyone knows about. Visibility often trumps perfection. This is an uncomfortable truth for many, but accepting it is the first step toward real progress. If nobody knows you exist, nothing else matters. You could have the best product or service in the world, but without visibility, your efforts go unnoticed. The market doesn't reward perfection, it rewards those who are seen and heard. That's why the first lesson is simple but powerful: advertise more. Make sure people know you're out there. Don't hide your business, put it in front of as many eyes as possible. Business proof always beats promises. Anyone can make bold claims about their product or service, but what really convinces people are testimonials, real results, case studies, and satisfied customers. These forms of social proof speak louder than any marketing slogan. If you want to build trust and credibility, let your happy customers do the talking for you. When you're just starting out, your biggest challenge isn't money, it's credibility. People don't know you yet and they're hesitant to trust you. That's why offering free samples or trials can be so effective. It lowers the barrier for new customers to try your product or service and gives you a chance to prove your value. Building trust early on is far more important than making a quick sale. Before you try something new, do 10 times more of what's already working. Growth often comes from digging one deep hole instead of 10 shallow ones. Focus your energy on what's proven to bring results and double down on those efforts. This approach leads to more sustainable growth and prevents you from spreading yourself too thin. Your customers are your best source of feedback. Their complaints are like free consulting, and their questions are valuable market research. By listening closely to what your customers say, you can uncover insights that help you improve your products, services, and overall business strategy. Don't shy away from criticism, embrace it as a tool for growth. Simplicity is a powerful business strategy. Focus on one product, one audience, one marketing channel, and one clear message. When you keep things simple, you reduce confusion for both yourself and your customers. This clarity allows you to execute more effectively and makes it easier for people to understand what you offer. Once you've created real value, don't be afraid to raise your prices. Better customers often create better businesses. Charging what you're worth not only increases your revenue but also attracts clients who value your work. Remember, price is a reflection of value, and confident pricing signals confidence in your offering. Hardest work in business isn't physical, it's learning what you don't know how to do. Growth comes from stepping outside your comfort zone and acquiring new skills. Whether it's mastering marketing, understanding finance, or improving leadership, the willingness to learn is what separates successful entrepreneurs from the rest. People don't need to be taught as much as they need to be reminded. The basics of business are simple, but executing them consistently is the real challenge. Success often comes from doing the simple things well day after day. Don't overlook the fundamentals, master them. Advertising isn't a one-time effort, it's an ongoing process. The more you put your business in front of people, the more likely you are to be remembered. Consistent advertising builds brand recognition and keeps you top of mind. Don't wait for customers to find you, go out and find them. Trust is the foundation of every successful business relationship. It's built through honesty, reliability, and delivering on promises. When customers trust you, they're more likely to buy from you, recommend you, and stay loyal over time. Focus on building trust in every interaction. Distractions are everywhere in business. The most successful entrepreneurs are those who stay focused on their core mission and avoid chasing every new opportunity. By concentrating your efforts, you make more progress and avoid spreading yourself too thin. Focus is a superpower in business. Direct conversations with customers reveal insights you can't get anywhere else. Ask them about their needs, frustrations, and experiences with your product. These conversations help you refine your offerings and show customers that you care about their opinions. When you find something that works, do more of it. Too often, businesses chase new ideas instead of maximizing what's already bringing results. Doubling down on your strengths leads to faster and more reliable growth. Don't reinvent the wheel, improve what's already rolling. Pricing can be intimidating, but it's essential to charge what you're worth. Underpricing your work can attract the wrong customers and undermine your business. Confidently set your prices based on the value you provide and don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. The business world is always changing. The most successful entrepreneurs are lifelong learners who constantly seek new knowledge and skills. Stay curious, attend workshops, read books, and learn from others. Continuous learning keeps you ahead of the curve. Business success isn't built from one giant breakthrough. Instead, it's the result of hundreds of small decisions made correctly over and over again. Each choice, no matter how minor, adds up to create lasting results. Pay attention to the details, they matter more than you think. Consistency is often more important than brilliance. The businesses that thrive are those that execute the basics day in and day out. It's not about having the smartest idea, it's about sticking with a simple idea long enough to make it impossible to ignore. Having a great idea is just the beginning. What truly sets successful businesses apart is their ability to execute consistently. Many brilliant ideas fail because they're never brought to life or sustained. Focus on execution, turn your ideas into reality, and keep improving them. The businesses that truly change the world aren't always the ones with the most brilliant ideas. More often, they're the ones that refuse to stop executing the basics. Mastering the fundamentals and sticking with them is what leads to lasting impact. There's a common myth that business success belongs to the person with the smartest idea. In reality, it's the person who stays focused and executes simple principles consistently who wins. Don't get distracted by chasing genius, focus on what works. Success in business often means doing things that feel uncomfortable. Whether it's reaching out to new customers, raising your prices, or advertising more, growth happens outside your comfort zone. Embrace discomfort as a sign that you're moving in the right direction. Perfectionism can hold you back. Waiting until everything is perfect before you launch or promote your business means you'll never get started. The market rewards those who take action, not those who wait for perfection. Launch, learn, and improve as you go. Understanding your market is crucial. Talk to your customers, study your competitors, and keep an eye on industry trends. The more you know about your market, the better decisions you can make. Market research isn't just for big companies, it's essential for every business. Feedback is one of your most valuable resources. Whether it's positive or negative, every piece of feedback helps you improve. Encourage your customers to share their thoughts and use their input to refine your products and services. Business is built on relationships. Take the time to connect with your customers, partners, and team members. Strong relationships lead to trust, loyalty, and long-term success. Don't underestimate the power of genuine connections. A clear message cuts through the noise. Make sure your audience understands exactly what you offer and why it matters to them. Avoid jargon and keep your communication simple and direct. Clarity builds confidence and attracts the right customers. Don't guess what works, test and measure your efforts. Track your results, analyze what's working, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Data-driven decisions lead to better outcomes and help you avoid costly mistakes. The business landscape is always changing. Stay adaptable and be willing to pivot when necessary. Flexibility allows you to respond to new opportunities and challenges more effectively. Adaptability is a key trait of successful entrepreneurs. Recognize and celebrate your small victories along the way. Every step forward is progress, and acknowledging these moments keeps you motivated. Success is a journey made up of many small wins, not just big milestones. Failure is not the end, it's a valuable teacher. Analyze what went wrong, extract the lessons, and apply them to your next attempt. Every failure brings you one step closer to success if you're willing to learn from it. Persistence is often the difference between success and failure. When things get tough, keep going. The ability to push through challenges and setbacks is what separates those who succeed from those who give up. Time is your most valuable resource. Spend it wisely on activities that drive your business forward. Avoid getting bogged down in tasks that don't add value. Prioritize what matters most and delegate or eliminate the rest. Investing in your own growth pays the highest returns. Take courses, attend seminars, and seek mentorship. The more you grow as a person, the more your business will benefit. Never stop improving yourself. Understanding your business numbers is essential. Track your income, expenses, and profits closely. Knowing your financials helps you make smarter decisions and avoid unpleasant surprises. Don't ignore the numbers, they tell the real story. Clear goals give you direction and purpose. Define what you want to achieve and break it down into actionable steps. Regularly review your progress and adjust your plans as needed. Goal setting keeps you focused and motivated. At the heart of every successful business is value. Focus on solving real problems for your customers and delivering results that matter to them. When you consistently provide value, success will follow naturally. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you, go out and create them. Proactive entrepreneurs take initiative, anticipate challenges, and act before problems arise. Being proactive puts you in control of your business destiny. No matter how successful you become, stay humble, be open to feedback, admit your mistakes, and keep learning. Humility keeps you grounded and helps you build stronger relationships with your team and customers. Continuous improvement is the key to long-term success. Always look for ways to get better, whether it's refining your processes, upgrading your skills, or enhancing your products. The pursuit of improvement keeps your business relevant and competitive. In the end, the businesses that change the world aren't always the ones with the most brilliant ideas. They're the ones that refuse to stop executing the basics day after day, master the fundamentals, stay consistent, and never underestimate the power of simple, persistent action. That's the real secret to avoiding years of failure and building lasting success.